In this video, we will explore the next-gen home, also known as the home within a home, and the many perks it has to offer homeowners in every stage of life. And stay till the end to find out where this unique and innovative home option is available in the greater Houston, Texas area. If we haven't met yet, I'm McLaney, your Houston, Texas realtor with the Seth Brothers team at eXp Realty. I am in the trenches of this market with my clients each week, and I am excited to guide, educate, and support you throughout your home buying journey. Be sure to check out my How to Purchase Your First Home video series here. In this 3-part series, I simplify and explain the 12 steps in the home buying process. Today, I am inside of the Next Gen Home by Lennar. Whether you need a space for family, wellness, work, or learning, this home within a home design provides it all. It features a separate entrance, kitchenette, living area, a bedroom or multi-use room, and a bathroom. There is also an option to add a single car garage and laundry space. Some use this area of the home for mind and body wellness. They create a full fitness experience in the main area and a wellness space for yoga and meditation in the secondary room. Others create a private office in the secondary room, while the main area offers another workspace or comfortable client seating. Many utilize this space as a homeschool setup with 2 desks and a craft table, or separate study stations in the main area with a gaming and play space in the secondary room. While some offer this suite to parents or young adults, which provides a sense of independence while balancing family privacy and togetherness. Like all of Lennar's homes, the Next Gen Home is outfitted with the most desired new home features, such as smart home technology that includes a seamless Wi-Fi experience throughout. The options are endless in the Next Gen, and guess what? There's an entire 3 to 4 bedroom home on the other side of this wall. The Next Gen is located all throughout the greater Houston, Texas area, like Lakes of Savannah in Rocheron, Veranda in Richmond, Texas, Bridgeland in Cypress, Artavia in Conroe, and many more locations. I want to know, how would you utilize this multi-use suite? Comment below. And hey, if you're interested in learning more about the Next Gen and other home options that fit your needs, budget, and location preferences, the link to book a free, no strings attached call is below. Choose a time that is convenient for you, and we will hop on a quick call where I will learn about your story, answer your questions, and you'll have absolute clarity on what your next best steps and options are in the home buying process. I just stepped out into the main portion of the house to give you a sneak peek. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos here.